Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to make a really nice apple cake. Super easy, super delicious. Let's get on with the ingredients. You're going to need some apples. How many you use is up to you. A quarter cup of butter, 57 grams. 1 1/8 cup of all-purpose flour, 170 grams. 3/4 of a cup of granulated white sugar, 150 grams. We're going to need some cinnamon to sprinkle on the top of our cake. A half a cup of milk, 125 grams. 1 large egg. A half a teaspoon of salt, 3 grams. 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, 6 grams. And our last ingredient, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 5 grams. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. To make things super easy, we're just going to take our salt, put that into our flour, and the same thing with our baking powder. Just give that a little mix. That just makes the recipe a little bit quicker. Okay, that's good. I'm going to take all of my white granulated sugar and get that into our mixing bowl. And then all of my butter right in. That's good. I'm going to close down my mixer, and I just want to cream this a little bit. I'll add in my egg, and that always really helps with the creaming process because you're adding more moisture into the mixture. That's good. And I might as well just add in my vanilla right now before I forget. Let's get that in. Oh, it smells so good. We'll get this going. This is a brand new mixer, by the way. This is the Craftsman KM50. And if you want to see more information about this, I do have a video, quick unboxing, very detailed overview on my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. I'll put a link to that video underneath this video and also in the comments section. And then we're just going to add in our milk. You could have added half your milk and half your flour, you know, do that. A couple of additions, but I'm just going to go this way. Let's get this going. And then I'm just going to get in all my flour. I can lift this up, just press the button here, the lever. I'll just get all of my flour in, just like that. Close it down. And now I just want to mix. This is a super easy recipe. Now at this point, if you want to have this with a more cinnamon flavor, you can add a little bit of cinnamon to your actual batter. And that's good, just like that. So we've got our apples at this point. What I want to do is I'm going to peel these. I'm going to cut them up into wedges, and then I'll be back. And then I just want to give my mixer, you know, a 15-second mix just before we pour it into the cake pan. So at this point I have cut up all of my apples, and I just wanted to get this on camera so that everybody knows, because apples are just, you know, you have so many different sizes, you know, large, small, medium. I've got 487 grams of apples right here. I've got my baking pan here. This is 9 inches square or 23 centimeters square. I've got my nice batter here. Looks good. And then we'll just get it right into our little container here. That's good. I'm just going to get this into the corner. So this cake is going to be nice because it's not going to rise very much. There's not a lot of batter for this style of cake. And I just want to make sure that I get it nice and even. That's the most important thing. You want to make sure that you've got even amounts all the way around. I think that looks good. I don't want to waste any of my batter. There. It looks good. And then you just take your apples and just start loading them in. You want them right on top of the batter. And how many apples you put in, that is up to you. You're going to have some left over probably, and then you've just got a nice little healthy snack. That looks good. Just push them right into your batter. You can get a couple of small ones in, get those in. You just want to make it look nice. You want to make sure that every slice is going to get quite a bit of apple. If I have a really small one, I could get one right in the corner there. There, just like that. See, I've got a few apples left over. I'm just going to have those as a snack. And then you're going to grab your cinnamon. And then just get on as much as you want. Oh, cinnamon smells so good. I think that looks good. Just make sure everywhere is covered. That looks nice, just like that. My oven is set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. I'm going to bake my cake. I'm going to come back and I'll tell you exactly how long I baked it. Hey everybody, I am back. I baked my apple cake for exactly 40 minutes in my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven, and that's 177 degrees Celsius. It smells amazing in here. I wish you could be here to smell this. Anyway, let's open this up. This is it. This has been cooling now for about a half an hour. Just gonna remove our little clips. Oh, this is going to be amazing. Just gonna lift that right out. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. Look at this. Wow. So let's take a nice little slice of this amazing cake. This is going to be so good. Bring that in. Oh, this is going to be amazing. Look at this. Oh, I'm super excited. Let me just spin this around and you can see that. Look at that. Oh, I wish you could be here. I gotta go in for a little piece of this. Oh, look at this. That looks amazing. Oh, wow. I haven't made this old recipe for a long time, and I'm glad I did because it is just over the top amazing. If you love cake and you love apples and you love cinnamon, you are going to love this recipe. It is just super, super easy. So that's it for this really fun recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, I'm also over there at BakeLikeAPro. I hope you try this out. You will not be disappointed, I guarantee you. Okay, I took a bite off camera and I'm going in for another little bite. This is just too good. I can't stop. Oh, this is yummy. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.